Imagine what if Elon Musk is not limited to just electric cars and now brings a new engine that shakes the foundation of the entire EV industry. Yes, the technology we are going to talk about today is not just an upgrade, it can be the beginning of a revolution. Tesla had already surprised the world with its battery and software. But now Musk's engine is going to change the definition of automobile. It is being said that this engine motor will not only make electric cars more powerful, but will also take their speed, range, and efficiency to a level where other companies are only dreaming of reaching. The question is this the same secret with which Musk wants to always remain on top in the EV market? And will this engine make Tesla invincible for the next 10 years? The truth hidden behind this engine is so surprising that if you miss it, then perhaps you will not be able to understand the coming EV revolution. So stay connected till the end of this video, because the information we are going to give you will change your entire perspective about EVs. And before moving on to the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can be the first to see such amazing videos. Just imagine a person who first turned electric cars from a joke to a serious business, then took the world several years ahead in battery technology. And now the same person, Elon Musk, is working on a new engine whose power has given sleepless nights to the entire EV industry. Yes, this is the same Elon Musk who has a big game plan behind every step. When he started Tesla, the world was laughing. People used to say electric cars can never match petrol cars, but in just a few years, Musk silenced everyone. Today, Tesla is the world's largest EV company, and Elon Musk is counted among the richest and most innovative people in the world. Tesla did not just make cars, but shook an entire industry. He advanced battery technology so much that other companies are still trying to catch up. Then he put AI, i.e., artificial intelligence, in his cars, in such a way that today Tesla's cars have learned to drive themselves. And now the news is that Elon Musk is making a new engine, which is not just an electric motor, but a technology that can help EVs run faster, more powerful, and for even longer distances. Now the question is, will this new engine really change the EV industry? Will this engine take Tesla years ahead of all other companies? Is this the same secret weapon due to which Musk always stays ahead? These are the things that are forcing the whole world to think today. Now let's understand what this secret plan of Elon Musk is. A big quality of Elon Musk is that he always thinks ahead. While other companies are busy solving today's problems, Musk works with a vision of 5 to 10 years ahead. When all companies were talking about battery size and charging time, Musk had already created technology like 4680 cell, which gives more power in a small battery. And when everyone saw EV motors as just a part, Musk made it the soul of the entire car. Now, the news that is coming is saying that Tesla is making an engine that will be many times more efficient than the existing electric motors. Some reports are also saying that this engine is based on permanent magnet and new flux design, which will give more power in less electricity. That is, your car will be able to go far by spending less battery, will run faster, and will not heat up. And the biggest thing, Tesla will also manufacture it itself in its gigafactories, which will also reduce the cost. But Musk has not yet officially launched this engine. They are keeping it in testing, and it is being tested in many Tesla cars. Some leaked reports say that this new engine is being fitted in Cybertruck and the next generation Moon Do 3. And if this engine really succeeds, it will be a game changer for the entire EV industry. Elon Musk's plan is so secret that even some of Tesla's old engineers have not been given complete information. This is because Musk is afraid that other companies may copy it. This is the reason why he always tests it first, then gradually brings it in front of everyone, just like he launched the 4680 battery and full self-driving AI system. What is the real power of the new engine? Whenever we hear the name engine, a petrol or diesel engine immediately comes to mind, making noise, emitting smoke. But Tesla's new engine is completely different. This is not a conventional engine, but an electric drive unit which has been made even more powerful and efficient. And this is the real strength of this engine. First of all, let's talk about torque. Electric cars give more torque than petrol cars, which means they are very fast in pickup and gaining speed. But this new engine of Tesla has been specially designed so that it can give more torque by consuming less power. This means that when you press the accelerator, the car will gain speed in a blink of an eye. Now comes the matter of long range. The biggest problem of today's EVs is range anxiety. That is, people are afraid that the battery may run out midway. Tesla is already leading in battery technology, but the design of this new engine will reduce the burden on the battery. Its efficiency is so good that the car will run more kilometers with less electricity. This simply means if today Tesla Moon Do 3 runs 500 to 600 kilometers on a single charge, then the new engine can take the same car up to 700 to 800 kilometers. The third biggest strength is fast acceleration and high speed. Electric motors anyway reach high RPM rotations per minute, but often at high speed, the battery starts to drain quickly and the motor starts heating up. Tesla's new engine uses flux design and permanent magnet technology, which makes the motor more efficient even at high speed. That is, the car can run continuously at high speed without jerking, and the battery will not run out as quickly. Now, if we compare it with traditional EV motors, the difference is clearly visible. Today, most companies use simple induction motors or basic permanent magnet motors. These motors either provide more power, but the battery runs out quickly, or the power reduces when the battery is saved. Tesla's new engine is the best combination of both high power plus high efficiency. Another big difference is the cooling system. Traditional EV motors have trouble running at high performance continuously because they heat up quickly. But Tesla's new engine is equipped with advanced cooling technology, which allows it to provide power for a long time without stopping. This is especially important for large vehicles like Cybertruck and Tesla Semi. If you want to understand it in simpler terms, then think like this. The old EV motor is like an ordinary fan which works but gets hot when run for a long time and consumes more electricity. On the other hand, Tesla's new engine is like the motor of a premium air conditioner which works more and for a longer time with less power without getting heated. Most companies use simple induction motors or basic permanent magnet motors. These motors either provide more power, but the battery runs out quickly, or the power reduces when the battery is saved. Tesla's new engine is the best combination of both high power plus high efficiency. Another big difference is the cooling system. Traditional EV motors have trouble running at high performance continuously because they heat up quickly. But Tesla's new engine is equipped with advanced cooling technology, which allows it to provide power for a long time without stopping. This is especially important for large vehicles like Cybertruck and Tesla Semi. If you want to understand it in simpler terms, then think like this. The old EV motor is like an ordinary fan which works but gets hot when run for a long time and consumes more electricity. On the other hand, Tesla's new engine is like the motor of a premium air conditioner which works more and for a longer time with less power without getting heated.